Alright, what is up, guys? Today I'm at the pond by my house, just going for some panfish or maybe a bass. But I just picked up a TFO Signature 2 Series, 2 weight, 6 foot. So this would be real fun for these panfish, because I've been using a 5 weight, and that you basically set the hook and they're done. So this should give them a lot more play, and it'll be a lot more fun with this. But yeah, I'm gonna start trying some dry flies and grasshoppers and stuff. And if I can't get anything on that, I'll use some nymphs or little streamers. I was trying to get out here earlier this morning when they were feeding like crazy on bugs, but I kind of slept in. So it's like 8:30 right now, and I'll see if I can get any on dry flies. I should be able to, but we'll see. Got one. There we go. Little green sunfish. It's probably the average size in here, I'd say. Okay. There he is. Little green sunfish. They're so pretty. Okay, I should get one right here. Got him. Oh, this is a bigger one for sure. Nice green sunfish. That one's got some cool stripes in the middle. Oh, it's real cool on its fin. I need to get a picture of this one. Alright, number 2 of the day. Okay, here comes a good fish. There's another. Another green sunfish. There's another. Got one. What is this? Might be a little baby green sunfish. Yep. Little baby green sunfish. Real dark. Show you the nymph. It's this. It's just a little black on the top with a bead. And then the bottom half is like a tan or a light gray, something like that. Any little nymph will work for bluegill and panfish though. There's another green sunfish out here. He's taking it. Got him. About the same size as the last few. His stripes are more prevalent than the last one though. Oh, there's a nice bluegill. Dang it. Dang it, that was a good bluegill. See if he comes back. Green sunfish came for it. That might be the biggest green sunfish today. There was a big bluegill though. Came out of the mud. Yeah, I think that's the biggest green sunfish guy. A little bit bigger than the last few. You guys probably can't tell, but I think I see one of the bluegills. Got him. That's not the big one, but I got a bluegill. There we go. Puts up a good fight. And a little 2-weight. Good sized bluegill. There's some pretty big ones in here. All right. Here's 2 green sunfish. Got one. Another green sunfish. Right there. Here's a bluegill. Got him. Or maybe it's a green sunfish. Another green sunfish. Got one. Oh, it's not even a bluegill. It's a green sunfish. They popped right off. Another green sunfish. Pow. Oh, I just missed it. Dang it. Here he is. Got him. Another greenie. Boom. Got one. A little like 2-inch blue, not even 2-inch bluegill ate it, or was nipping at it, and this green sunfish came in and stole it. Dang. There we go. Another greenie. Should be close to 10 fish. That was like a dry fly hit. Let's go. He wanted it so bad. I'm gonna try and get the other one too. That's one of the better ones from today. Dang. There he is. I'll go over there. See if this one will come out. He has like there's a stick and then a bunch of rocks, and he flew out of there for it. Got him. There's one of his cool colors. Oh, he's all wrapped up. He engulfed it. Yeah, if you ever come fly fishing for bluegill, definitely bring a pair of these, or else you're not gonna get the hook out. There you go. Here comes one. Got him. This is sweet. Ooh, this one's another really yellow one. That's how most of them are. He's really yellow. He doesn't have the stripes on him. Oh, little bluegill came for it. Got him. Little bluegill. That's bait. This guy would get crushed by bass. Little micro bluegill. Get him on there. Look how small he is. Got like a metallic metallic look to it. Oh, here's a greenie. Boom. Green sunfish again. Got one. I just dangled under a rock. Literally less than 4 inches of water. Little green sunfish. Bank. Here comes the fish. I'll get this one and then I'll go. Got him. Is this a bluegill or pumpkin seed? No, it's a bluegill. Little bluegill. Slight upgrade from that last one. Well, I just caught a rock. That's cool. So cool. New species. That was a rare rock. Rare rock species. This is one right here. Got him. Here's I think a bluegill. Got a micro green sunfish. That's definitely my smallest green sunfish. Almost the size of that. I guess it's not as rounded as a bluegill, so this is the smallest fish of the day. Boom. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna leave now. Finish it there. I'm gonna go carp fishing with my dad after this. There we go. Boom. Alright guys, thanks for watching if you got this far. I had a blast filming this today, catching all these fish on my new 2-weight. Definitely gonna put this thing to use at this pond and some other ponds around here, catching all these panfish. But one of my next videos, I'm gonna come back here with the main focus being dry flies. I'm gonna come early morning because there's just a ton of bugs here early morning and late night. So I'll come here, bring dry flies, and I should nail them. So if you guys want to see that, subscribe and hit the bell notification, and then you should get a notification telling you when I post that. And if you liked this video, that one you should like even more. So yeah, again, thanks for watching.